Okay, first real run of my Dapol Sentinel. I've had it a little while but not had any track to run it on, and I am building this track for the club. It will be 16 with an optional 4-foot centre, but at the moment I've got just 8 feet up and functional. One of the things I've found out is that the Pico point doesn't like taking current through its switchblade, so I will have to put a frog juicer in on it. But my safety device, you may notice, is that I've taped over both tracks for at least 6 inches before the end, which means I can't drive it clean off the end of the track. But so far so good. This really is a different feel to it altogether when you get something as chunky as 7mm stuff. No, I'm not going to give up on 00. This needs too much space. But it works and it runs. Oh, and the boards of course work as well. In fact, all my wiring and the bus underneath everything is off 13 amp domestic cable, so it's not short of power to the tracks. And with every piece of track having its own droppers, there's no real reasons for any low powered sections with high resistance. Right, signing off then.